Kebanga buat Dr. Ricky Singkan. Ngapen pau kejeng sekolah kejonga. Dr. Wendy Pak Cliff bari Kong Doni ki badai ki para jeng bariki baru ki bahayeng masam jong iba Ricky. Kemensiam jonga kakhia bat kadap dakajing sonsi bangadai banyang kumni khamat jengpi banyak keran halor kajingnya dai kajong Dr. Ricky Singkan bat ke skul ba Nehu kajingnya dai jung i bat ke skul ba Nehu kelas sedang hausnam kat khandai spa khandai pusau habai ila join ya ke program MA in Economics how to snam badan dalai ladap ikjing puli hausnam kat khandai spa khandai punreu ila join pat ya ke program Masters in Commerce haka juhi ke skul ba hausnam kat khandai spa khandai punreu du khandai pupra banang ta ila pendapru ke PhD na Department of but ila kum ngedi jong Dr. Ricky Singkan bat ke skul ba Nehu kalalong palat life hausnam kum unang puli kum unang ikai bat kum alumni jong katai ke skul ba kum unang ikai Dr. Ricky ilang batibet ban ikai baki kena ki i bat iba biang ba haka subject bat haka specialization ba i don ban ontang komunikai kum supervisor ila guide ya bon kena bat saumut naki kilala ban pendap ya ka PhD hapo ke supervision kecil nalor ka komunikai Dr. Ricky Singkan iladang kebentar ke bakrau haji penyat ya ke Department of Commerce kamu head in charge badru iladang ta haka university level committee ke bapher kabanganum la banjer keteng hangni namar kajing guna kapor nei tangkawai na swa ban batai hangni klong ba ilai coordinator jong kataka set ka ba ai jing hikai ya ki kena kunu bakin le ya competitive exams baki la ban pass bat ila bat kamu coordinator jong kenika UGC program ma bon snam kaya hajing perkhat jonga kajing no senyang jong ibaraki Dr. Ricky Singkan ya ka university nolor kani ka bangala pule kamba marap ka jing em jong i kalong ka babaik ka jilong jong i kalong ka babha ilalong ulung sa uba biangdo role model uba biangdo namta ki khna puli kejuni hakata ke skul ba pat ong khna puli yang baru uba hika yang tai badi ke bon kinong hika yang tai namar ilahi kai ni kulo bagi dei benlong ki beu ki patip briu tiblai ki badan ka kuar ki babha ke jinglong kulo bagi kerani wei pi wei daka buguram ba diri ramai lakho ta iba Dr. Ricky Singkan ila ai ke sing sakri ka babang tam ya ka university haba ila job kum MP ka jing sakri jung ila university kam sem ladkut nomor ila yai keren ya ki kam jung university ha parliament kum ki pitut ada like no yung minister to education but the officials hantai ha Delhi banyak keren yak jing ha jing miat jong kin nong tre Nehu batulur yung away ke center kepada Nehu ka bagi om ka IC SSR NERC dan kini kina na Oktober Dr. Ricky ila phone nga yung ben nambar nyalam superlock yung nako ban ngong ni kedua ipi wala di mga semua ay por ndiak ngawong Ricky la na piko ay kundung anwan mga yung yang kwa on nga nila song dagi ka banyak keren kumno man penbaik lakat kam tay ka university badi da ong yang balada pidan kanu kacing yarap kacing kersa ngadan mga Delhi sufon yang su text ngam ka badan kam kumta hakajing klar no jong Dr. Ricky Singh ngilado om tang yunong hikai tibet mabaro ngi om tang ta unong trelang ukul ngilado ya unong kersan ujongi kong kaskulba hakapor bangidad bangkame ya baun kersan ingi habang ya lamba kajige kapapi fitiblot kunta kong ka university menen ngila perlu ya condolence meeting kata kajing meeting is mulam bat baro kinoi kai bat kikna puli ki staff ngilai donlang ngilai penpau kajing snosi ngilai keren spang ka contribution kajing no senyang i bat ngilai airu ka jing smulam kajing kedbek kerang yaki bahayang masa ki para jeng ba reki saban penkut kindian kalian ngalai tu ba reki ndu senam khandai spang sal habang ya sanglam ban puli hantai nehu ka MA Economics nang tu ni kailang badi kumki guest lecturer ha Department of Commerce but hadin pat ila join arajar bat nga arajar lai ha Department of Commerce but Department of Economics dan ngalap taxi bangong barki ngai kublai phi na marki ki kam ki bakhi sim namta ka ri bakjat bun riu namta ka jala meglaya but menkat khandai tarik ila pha ka message singa yong bin baro kadai ka jingrap ka bawan na ublai pat kumta ka jingkali ka bomi ahmad jungi ni ka palam balai ba ublai bala ai ni real crowd komuni ubreu ubangi khmi lenti baun ai ka jing sakri ka padang jorong mai ni ubreu bangi ja ka mensim ubreu bangi buram baro ni buram balai ublai ula simno yau ba riki ilong ibreu iba jam bat ublai iba je ka ktin ublai berkumta kali kapor nasuka ban pinkan mau ingi naka ai ka batho naka second Samuel ka kitab Samuel ka baar nyaw ang putra kikintian ba usim David wong atrai melong bakraw melong blehi bakiktin jung me kilong bayai ne ban na kular ya ki ai ke ba yu sakri jung me ngangai kalong kuntai ba Ricky i Dr. Ricky Singkan bau blehi ka jing start ka jung ulah pendam ya ka ai ka ulah kular ha ka jing im jung ba Ricky bat ulawan ban sano ya i hendai ka jing kular ka jung blehi ya ka jat ben riu khasi jantia ya ka jela jumi kampat kut ublai unyai beteng unyai sei gibreu kiban beteng kakam kaba Dr. Ricky Singkan ulah sedang bat ulong ru nuksa nam tajungi baro babhatam bakumno omtang hakasan pertai hendai ka jigim jungi basimet hakikam ki jam jungi basimet membuat dia nuksa jong uni urongba urekrau ukro kari namtak burung belai amen Mungkin kami kepor ngai kublai pasar penyai kami funeral service kayeng kesan doi Dr. Ricky MP Brum Jongi ki pastor kiring bak balang na kabalang penyai service bersimkia aku boleh kasinong nong saudara kebaai kan jakab niok pelong kan ke service kiring rumba di bawah ke different sections of society ministers, KMLs, KMDCs, Dr. Mukul who is the leader of oppositions, Kilong Kmei, Kilong Kpa, Kisamla, Kisamhan, Kipai ba baik bathum jung pi brum jung palaj kumudulai belawan nakalan kijaka ban sigulen bakani kasing kabakado Presli nakalian kejonga nampak dari kenduk bunsin dari Dr. Ricky
And I am very, very fortunate to meet him twice, thrice in few occasions. Ngaya kendo yo kumbasibanay suabun pagani ka pabun ino ini. Kantam mo kulit biklat ngayo ka call kumanyo siten. Pagka phone when perlu emelijungi masong bah is a sad news. Wampi barong jungi umdon su akan dikesalakan do batai kapan sok ya nga sipang masong ngamla isu ban kerendro ngaru burung mengenal kenduk agi por baladat tak kenal kelas meeting baik kenduk dua airport jarang ilis Delhi ong kawai keten masong halang dahar deputy chief minister jongi tawang nyebu iga parti syarut ngintay ka state ka jongi kata kapundung kapansa no dengan hanengan pa perkat ba unik kloying ina diselakan do pertai ngiti blud baro ubru bodan ka kardan ubru ba sen berit ubru ba experience in different fields nado balong kumunong hikay ubru ba yo belay bating yo belay berubah mark expand lagi different directions. Kamtam misnugok nyotang kendiat kum berubah ba hadin pula antar sa political career. Handai udai uluksa yang ikumno bangun kebir ku bajajai ke bajam nur ke belarit. Kajing yap jong MP jongi ndai kajing do tangai ka ying ke jong kamtam kaya stage barok kawai kaya government ni barok kawai kamtam ni samla jungi beron kam kum yunu guru balong kum role model kamtam ni beri samla ka jungi ngasru tu bagi bahaying jong doktor ki kimla penting ni gini gini mat hanangan bo kajing dua yang try kendar bandalor on ai ki ka bor ke mesin bag baplikin ne ban Aisyah yang ni jingtu ni barok ni dua yang batpi bat ke state barok ke wedo idan lang batpi kunjung ngasutu ke jingdo ndai tangi ke political party ke budon baringi kum geriu jong ke state barok ke wedo do yulu kraw tahakan ni ke por ngasutu ngidon katukan ni geriu dong ba bawan ni ke wegi state sikenten argenten ngan deliver daka English. We are deeply saddened by the untimely demise of our honorable MP of Parliament, Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sengkon from Won Shillong ST constituency. His loss at the age of 54 is a great sorrow for his family, for Meghalaya and for our nations as a whole. On behalf of the state government, I offer my heartfelt condolences to his loved ones during these very difficult times. Late Dr. Sengkon, a scholar, was born on the 6th January 1972 in Lai Mukra, Shillong, and studied at Sangidabon School and Lai Mukra Presbyterian Schools, and later graduated from Shillong Commerce College. He went on to complete his master degree in commerce and thereafter and his doctorate in economics from Northeastern Hill Universities. He was a highly qualified man who used his qualification not for personal self-interest, but to serve the society and, more importantly, for the larger interests of uplifting the state of Meghalaya. As an academician, he guided students with patience, humility, and care and enter public life with a genuine desire to serve the people of the state. He uses educational qualifications and knowledge by contributing to the different educational institutes. Dr. Sengkon transitions into public life shows his unwavering desire and passion to serve the people of the state. He was the founder, member and general secretary of the Voice of the People Party. He went on to represent the One Shillong Parliamentary Constituency in the Lok Sabha. And Dr. Sengkon entered public life in 2023. when he contested the assembly election from Umsung constituency as a candidate of the Voice of the People parties, and he then contested the general election 2024 from Shillong parliamentary constituency from the VP parties, where he secured a resounding victory, thus becoming a member of the 18th Lok Sabha. In remembering Dr. Sengkon, I want to personally highlight how resolute he was in raising the issues that matter most for our states, always speaking with clarity, courageous, and convictions on behalf of our people. He traveled the length and breadth of our states, meeting with farmers, women, youths, elderly, and listening to their problem and striving to watch them. As an MP, he consistently brought intellectual depth, integrities, and unshakable commitment to the rights and developments of the northeastern regions as a whole. Enhance and core in faith, humility, and compassion. Dr. Sengkon lived his principle both in public life and his private life. He did grassroots connections shape his lifelong advocacy for indigenous rights, good governance, social justice, and transparency. These were personal convictions he carried into every forum he stepped into. And also, Dr. Sengkon raised some important issues in the Lok Sabha, moment that reflects not only his deep understanding of the issues facing Meghalaya, but also his unrelenting courage to speak for the people at the national level as well. Dr. Sengkon constantly champions cause directly affecting the lives of the ordinary citizens.